So we're going up on episode 2, part 2 of the boat restoration. I've taken it out on the water a couple times ever since I got the right side sanded down. But one thing I noticed was that the engine kept wanting to die. Like it runs fine, and then after a while it'll just kind of drag out. After a little bit of investigation, I found this. I've already taken what is supposed to be a hose clamp, it's a zip tie, off. But this fuel line that's in here, right here, is dry rotted. So this little video is not going to be as long as the first episode, hopefully. But this entire video is going to be committed to getting this fuel line, wherever it may come from or go, right here. Oh look, it's another zip tie. But getting this all taken care of, and hopefully have a clean running engine. Let's get it. Good guess. You can see that's a lot of the fuel and oil mixture that was on that bolt from it just seeping up. I'm gonna take that out. Yep, there's the hole right there. Oh no! Set that up there. Look, there's the hole. Beautiful. Not really, that's bad. That was an easy takeoff. What is this, 1/4 inch? Looks like 1/4 inch. Let's go ahead and get that bad boy back seated in there. Okay. Oh no, it was this fuel line. Oh god, okay, oops. Okay, accidentally just spilled fuel everywhere. So now we gotta take this piece off. Then we're gonna go to our local hardware store and we're gonna get however long this is and get it back in there. Simple enough. Nice little hose clamp. Charlie, look what I found. Actually, what I did.
Of the beast.
See the hole up there?
No.
You're a dick.
Yeah.
Well, we're off in the Jeep, Mom's Jeep, to go get some fuel line. Plus, I gotta pick up some microfiber rags because she is putting our decals. That's the wrong button. On the rags, and we're selling them for Fish On. Look at it. It's so beautiful. Go clear, clear. Let's go. It'd help if I remembered the fuel line. old hose with a nice crack in it. New hose with an extra inch so I have some playroom. And then hose clamp in there. On the Dollar General. Dollar General. Good, secured.
Young blood made of gold, a mind you can't control. Running wild, can't come down. My head is in the clouds. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and
All right, we've got everything. Hose clamp. 5/16 hose, 24 inch, even though I only need 23. But let's get this going, let's get this reconnected. I'm excited, let's go. So first off, we're gonna take this piece. I'm gonna make sure it fits this. Maybe. Oh yeah, it'll fit. Nice and snug. But before we get it all snugged, get the hose clamp on it, make sure it's in an easily accessible location, as so. How this went on like that. So it's going to go in to this part right here, and that bolt that we had. Oh, it did not set like that. It set like this. No, it did not set like that. Uh-oh. There we go. Like that. Get this all put back together, all put on. All nice and on there, almost, if not completely flush. Get this up on here, right there. There they are. Get her tightened down. Go. Okay, so now's the fun part. Because now we got to figure out, I got to figure out how exactly this was looped through. And I think I see it. You gotta feed her back there. Make sure she's coming out right. Okay. Alright, now let's get that set back to how it was. up nice. Okay. Up even with that there. Oh, it does. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. That's what I like to see. Okay. Come back over here. Oh my goodness. I just spilled fuel everywhere. Oh my. Alright. Now we're going to take this line. I believe it went up into this. Yes, it did. Okay. We'll take our other hose clamp, feed her back up to here. There we go. This bad boy up there. Nice and tight. Ooh, that was pretty instant. That was really instant. All right. Moment of truth. There we go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the short little engine maintenance. Hopefully you enjoyed this little filler episode, just getting a little bit of engine maintenance in. Hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next one.